Hi, my name is Lucia from Lucia Languages, and today we're going to talk about two words, two prepositions that students often ask me about, por and para, these two prepositions. If you were to ask me what how to translate por or para, the answer would be for. The translation for por is for, the translation for para is for. However, depending on where you see these words and how they are used, they have different meanings, and therefore they don't always translate to for. So my advice to you is, instead of worrying about what the translation is for each of these words, what you can do is learn how these words are used. And today we're going to talk about 3 of the uses of the preposition por and 4 of the uses of the preposition para. So let's get started. Alright, let's start with the uses of por. These are rules or guidelines that you can learn and you can remember. And if not, you can just remember the sentences that I will be presenting today, like in 1 second. Okay, so the first one is use por for parts of the day. Here are 3 examples. I'm going to read each sentence twice. Por la mañana voy al colegio. Por la mañana voy al colegio. In the morning, I go to school. Por la tarde, almuerzo en casa. Por la tarde, almuerzo en casa. In the afternoon, I have lunch at home. Por la noche, leo un libro. Por la noche, leo un libro. In the evening, I read a book. So here we have 3 examples. Por la mañana, in the morning. Por la tarde, in the afternoon. Por la noche, in the evening. So rule number 1, use por for parts of the day. Rule number 2, use por to indicate means through which something is done. To indicate means through which something is done. 3 examples. Te envío un mensaje por Skype. Te envío un mensaje por Skype. So it says I send you a message on Skype. It really means I will send you a message on Skype. No me gusta hablar por teléfono. No me gusta hablar por teléfono. I don't like to talk on the phone. Recibirás el paquete por correo. Recibirás el paquete por correo. You will receive the package by mail. Alright, so let's read these 3 examples again. Por Skype, on Skype. Por teléfono, on the phone or over the phone. Por correo, by mail. So here you can see that the translations for these are not for Skype, for the phone, for mail, right? Por Skype, on Skype. Por teléfono, on the phone or over the phone. Por correo, by mail. Alright, and our third rule, use por to indicate duration of time. So, ayer estudié español por 3 horas. Ayer estudié español por 3 horas. Yesterday, I studied Spanish for 3 hours. Juan irá a Canadá por un mes. Juan irá a Canadá por un mes. Juan will go to Canada for a month. Nos quedamos en San Antonio por 3 días y 2 noches. Nos quedamos en San Antonio por 3 días y 2 noches. We will stay in San Antonio for 3 days and 2 nights. And before you ask, nos quedamos. Nos quedamos can mean we will stay or we stayed in San Antonio for 3 days and 2 nights, just in case you're wondering. Alright, so the 3 uses of por 3 días. Por 3 horas, for 3 hours. Por un mes, for 1 month. Por 3 días y 2 noches, for 3 days and 2 nights. Great. So those are the uses of por. Watch the next video for the uses of para. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a little bit.